Hey y'all, welcome to Simply Rosita on the BohoBabe Homestead. Okay, so guys, this is a wall cabinet that was gifted to me. It came directly from Amazon. I know that sounds weird because I have opened packages from Amazon before, but the difference with this one is that I didn't go through a logistics company to receive this one. This was the home shipping in Jamaica. It was my first experience and it did go well. Okay, it says leave in special instructions, leave in a safe location. I was on the road when they called me and I advised the delivery man to leave it at a hardware that I was heading to. And he did. When I picked it up, all was fine. So I'm about to unbox this cabinet. This one is for the kitchen. I have already ordered a pantry that I think will go great with this. It's the one I ordered was 47 inches, and it's the what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on top of the counter and kind of make it look like a cabinet, like one of these, but just all the way down to the counter height. It says don't open with a knife, which is kind of weird. My only fear with this package is it has glass in there, but the glasses are supposed to be tempered glass. The tape is pretty damn good. Like I said, this was gifted to me and I do like it. I love it, as a matter of fact. They have this was a Mother's Day gift. Oh my god. There's so much tape on this. They have one where it's basically the same design except that here the doors stop to here and then there's an open shelf here. I'm thinking about getting that one to match it. So I have two pieces of wall mounted cabinet in the kitchen because I do need one for my spice rack. So let's dive into it. This is what it's supposed to look like. Although I am gonna add the picture on the thumbnail. It's packed up pretty neatly. Hang on, let me get comfy. I'm just gonna go in here. The hands might be a little dirty because I was doing some work outside. This looks weird. It's not supposed to look like this. Look like some tables on it. I'm guessing this is a side panel of the top. Hang on a minute. They're not. Oh, crap. Oh, they are labeled. I was about to panic. Okay, so 6. These are the shells. So I just got the shells out. I'm nervously trying to get down to the doors because they seem to be at the bottom. These are the back panels. Oh my god. I'm guessing this is at the top. This is either the top or the bottom. Or a side. Okay guys, so this is just an unboxing video to see that the condition everything came in. It's packed up pretty neatly. My feet are killing me. It's not broken. It's not broken. This is the inside. I might have to fill these with a little bit of silicone, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's textured. I think it's tempered glass. I don't think it's real glass. It kind of feels like plastic. There we have it. This is one. Let's check the other one. Oops. It's hard to move because my feet are killing me. So it came intact. And this was my biggest worry, that it came intact. The doors came intact. This is absolutely beautiful. I am really contemplating getting that other one to match it because they're the same size. It's just that the other one, it has a little open shelf at the bottom. I'm really thinking about getting that one to go along with it. So I have a top there. I'm guessing that's the bottom. So I should have 2 more pieces of this. No, this is the bottom. And this is the top. That's the top. Ouch. I'm guessing these are the sides. And these are the shelves. And these are the backs of it. I'm not sure what that's for yet. And then these strips. And then these are the screws and stuff. There's one thing that I gotta check for in here, and I'm really hoping that it's in here. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to. I was contemplating changing the handles to make them more boho friendly.